So you use a piece of rope. This is about, I don't know, 1/2 inch diameter braided rope. I bought it a long time ago. You tie a loop in it that's less than that amount, less than the diameter of the pipe, and you feed it through. You want to feed it in the direction opposite the turn, like that. You don't want it going this way because it'll slide. So when you're cranking up, you want it to bite, so you feed it in this direction. Then to start the solar blanket, lay it over the bar. This is a really old solar blanket. It needs to be replaced, so it's holding a lot of water and it gets fairly heavy. It's probably last year for it. So you cinch that thing right there. And you bring the rope across the top. Yeah, I'm going to move over the other side. You want to keep the bottom pretty close, pretty close, as close as you can. So, at that point, you take this rope, like this, and you cinch in the same direction so that it bites, and you start to turn. Now, let me see if I get this thing set. You start to turn, and it'll just grab that plastic and fold it right up. Nice. Now on this one I turn really slow. It seems like it comes up better with the pump off, but it's starting to, you have to do some adjustments. And that's how I do it.